Buying a used car? You're either going to save thousands or lose everything. Most people think they know how to spot a good deal, but the truth is, the used car market is full of hidden traps. From buying scams to maintenance myths to costly resale mistakes, one wrong move can drain your bank account. But what if I told you there are simple, proven hacks used by pros and insiders that can flip the game in your favor? Stick with me, because the tips you're about to hear will put you in the driver's seat, financially and literally. 1. Hack the search. Know where the real deals hide. Most used car shoppers head straight to big dealers or marketplace listings. That's mistake number 1. The real deals. They're often found in overlooked places, estate auctions, bank repossession lots, or direct from owner sales. Sites like GovDeals, Auto Tempest, or Facebook Marketplace are gold mines when used correctly. But here's the trick. Set alerts for specific models, filter by private sellers, and always expand your radius to find undervalued gems. Pro tip: avoid cars that have just been detailed. It's often a cover-up for leaks, smells, or paint damage. Instead, look for honest, dusty listings with thorough maintenance records. Those are the cars owners took care of. And never buy in a rush. Dealers thrive on urgency. Slow down, research, and watch prices over 2 weeks. Patterns emerge, and that's when you strike. 2. Decode the VIN, the car's true history. Every car has a past, and the VIN, vehicle identification number, is your secret weapon. Services like Carfax or AutoCheck give you accident history, service records, and odometer rollbacks. But few people know this. There are free VIN check tools, like the National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, and iSeeCar's VIN report. Look for red flags like inconsistent mileage, salvage titles, or multiple sales within a short period. A good rule: if the car's been in more relationships than your last Tinder match, walk away. Also, check the emissions history if your state requires it. A clean Carfax doesn't guarantee the car is ready to pass inspection. Final hack: search the VIN on Google. You'd be amazed how often cars show up in old listings, forums, or even accident photos that weren't reported officially. 3. Master the test drive. It's not about the drive. The test drive isn't just about how the car feels. It's a live diagnostic tool. Listen, smell, and observe. Start the car cold. Does it hesitate? Rattle? Any puff of smoke from the exhaust? That's when most hidden engine issues show up. While driving, check. Brake feel and response. Steering alignment. Let go on a flat road. Does it pull? Transmission smoothness, especially on automatics. HVAC system performance. Any strange noises over bumps. And here's the psychological trick. Bring a friend. Their presence alone makes sellers less likely to hide things. Also, have them video the entire test drive. It keeps both parties honest. 4. Beat the inspection game. Mobile mechanics are the key. Never skip an inspection. But here's the twist. Instead of taking it to a shop, bring a mobile mechanic to the seller. Why? 2 reasons. First, you get a neutral party on site, which deters scams. Second, the seller's reaction is priceless. If they resist, they're hiding something. Mobile inspections cost $100 to $200 but can save you thousands. They'll check for frame damage, fluid condition, engine leaks, and more. Insider tip: ask the mechanic to check for overspray, evidence of repainting, uneven tire wear, suspension issues, and DTC codes, even if no check engine light is on. If a seller refuses inspection, walk away. No good deal comes with secrecy. 5. Know when to walk away. The 3-strike rule. Here's a hard truth. Some cars are just not worth saving. Use the 3-strike rule. If you find more than 3 red flags, mismatched paint, missing service records, suspicious seller behavior, walk away. Emotion is your enemy. Salespeople know this. They want you to feel rushed, emotionally attached, or convinced you'll miss out. But you hold the power and your wallet. Always inspect multiple cars, even if the first one feels perfect. Scarcity mindset leads to desperate buying. 6. Use the 10% rule when negotiating. Sellers expect haggling. Start 10 to 15% below asking, but justify it. Show the inspection report. Mention repairs needed. Point out tires, brake pads, or timing belts near end of life. And here's a trick from dealership pros. Don't negotiate in round numbers. Say, I'll offer $6,880 instead of $7,000. It sounds calculated, not emotional. If buying from a dealer, negotiate fees too. Documentation fees, prep fees, etc. Many are padded to boost profits. 7. Maintenance hack. Learn the basics yourself. Want to save thousands on ownership? Learn too. Change your oil and filter. Rotate your tires. Replace air and cabin filters. Check brake pads. Top off fluids properly. Sites like YouTube, ChrisFix, and forums like r/mechanic advice make it easy. You don't need to be a mechanic, just capable. Even better, keep a binder with maintenance logs and receipts. This increases resale value and proves you're a responsible owner. 8. Don't skip on tires and alignment. Bald tires and poor alignment cause more than uneven wear. They mess with MPG, cause steering issues, and can damage suspension parts. Buy mid-range tires with long warranties, like Michelin Defender or Continental True Contact. Rotate them every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. Get a 4-wheel alignment yearly. It's a small cost that saves big on tire wear and gas mileage. 9. Avoid dealership repairs. Use independent mechanics. After buying, you'll need repairs. Don't run to the dealership. Their labor rates are 40 to 70% higher than independents, and they often upsell services. Instead, build a relationship with a trusted local mechanic. Ask for referrals, check Google reviews, and visit for a minor service first to test them. Look for ASE certifications and clear upfront pricing. 10. Resell like a pro. Prep it like a dealer. When it's time to sell, presentation matters. Clean the car thoroughly, inside and out. Use fabric or leather restorers, remove personal items, and fix cheap cosmetic issues like headlight fog or chipped paint. Take clean, well-lit photos. Write a professional ad. Include VIN, mileage, service records, and recent work. Price your car slightly above market so you have room to negotiate. Use Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or Car Gurus to set pricing. 11th, sell smart. Timing and platform matter. Spring and tax return season are the best times to sell. People have cash and want cars. List on multiple platforms: Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, and specialty sites like Cars.com. If your car's niche, like a sports car or hybrid, list on enthusiast forums. Be honest in the listing. Transparency builds trust. And never meet buyers alone or at your home. Use public spots with security cameras, like police station parking lots. 12. Maximize trade-in value with psychology. Even if you're trading in, don't walk in blind. Get offers from CarMax, Carvana, and Vroom first. They often pay more than dealers. Then, use those quotes to negotiate with the dealer. Mention the competitor's offer. Here's the psychology. Dealers want easy inventory. If your car is clean, serviced, and doesn't need work, it's gold. Show them service logs and mention new tires, brakes, or battery. 13. Protect your purchase with smart warranties. Not all extended warranties are scams. The key is buying the right one from the right source. Avoid dealer warranties. Instead, use third-party companies with solid reputations, like Endurance or CarShield. Read the fine print. What's covered, what's not. Better yet, start a personal car repair savings fund. Put away $30 to $50 a month. That way, when repairs come, you're ready, with or without a warranty. So there you have it. 13 used car hacks that can save you thousands. From spotting fakes to mastering maintenance to selling for top dollar. These tips put you ahead of 90% of car buyers. Which of these hacks was new to you? Or which one have you been using for years? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every one. Hit that like button if this saved you money. And subscribe for more insider car tips that even mechanics don't want you to know. Drive smart, own smart, and never overpay again.